Welcome back to everyone. How is your weekend? I hope it was good. So today we are going to make this jumpsuit. It's small jumpsuit for our baby. So this is what we are going to use. It's a craft fabric material that we are going to use for it. So please subscribe, share, and comment. And let's get started for the folding now. I've cut out the one that we use. It's a jumpsuit, remember? So this is the pants first that we're going to work on. So I will go ahead now to take my length. So this is my length, 12 inches is for the length, and for the weight that we folded, this is what I have, 9.5 inches. So we start with our measurement to get our hip line. This is where I'm marking my hip line here now, 7 inches. So that's my 7 inches. So on this line, that's where we also get our hip measurement. So my hip measurement that I'm having here now is 30 inches. So that's my 30 inches. So I will continue to mark it 30 inches. That is 7.5 inches. This is our 30 inches. So I will roll it to have a straight line. So then we will now measure our waist. Our waist here that we have is 26 inches. So that's my 26 inches here. So we are dividing it by 4, remember, 26 inches. So that is 6.5. That's my 26 inches. So now to get our crush is 15 inches. 15 inches is 7.5. That is divided into 2 now, not into 4. So that is where I have this my 7 inches. That is 7.5 inches. So we now add to get our crush curve. So adding 1.5 inches. So now to bring it upper for where we'll curve it 1.5. So I will use my hand to curve it like this. So that is it. So after that now, for the downward side, I also want it to be bogus a little. So this is what we have here now. 16 inches. That is 8 inches on the tape. So that is my 16 inches. So then I will connect my marks together. This is where I have my waist. I'll connect my waist from here like to my hip. So that is it. So now to connect it to my cross line. So we've gotten our measurement now. So then I'll cut. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. So that is it. So this is how to cut our pants, and it's a jumpsuit, remember. So we are cutting the pant first. So this is the front side of it now. So to cut the back piece of the pants, so I folded my fabric. So I will just use my front piece now to lay on it like this. So this is it now. So that's how to lay it now. Lay it down now. That's for the front, using the front to lay on the back piece. And remember, if you are sewing your pants, the back part will be longer. So I'm using 1.5 inches to make it longer. And this is where it will be longer, not this side. Not this side. This is where the cross side is the front side. So what we will do, we will just connect it now to end of this side of it. So this is what I mean, to the point, to this point. Then after that, Then I will add 2 inches like this. So this adding it now, 2 inches like this. So can you see what I've done there now? So that's it now. So that is it myself. So now we'll just cover it like this. So I will now add my allowance now. I didn't add allowance at the back, the front piece. So all our allowance now will be at the back piece. So what am I adding? I'm adding 2 inches also for the allowance. So this I'm going to add it throughout like this. Then we'll cut. So I hope you are seeing what I'm doing now. The front and the back piece is cut out now. So this is my front piece and this is my back piece. So we'll cut the upper part now to complete our jumpsuit. So we are cutting our upper part now. So what I did there is the front and the back is what I lay down and add my zipper allowance by 1 inch. So that's for my zipper allowance. And then we're going to mark our neckline. My neckline is 3 inches like this. And for the front neckline, that is the depth, I'm bringing it by 4.5 inches. It's a V neckline. So that is it now for the neckline. So for the back neckline, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches like this. So after that now, I'll go ahead now to mark my shoulder. My shoulder is 12 inches. When you divide it by 2, I will give you 6 inches on our tape. So coming to my chest line from my shoulder to my chest line, 5.5 inches. So that is my 5.5 inches. And then I'll mark 1 inch, 1 inches to curve the armhole. So on that line that we have from the shoulder to the chest line, that's where I'll mark my bust. My bust divided by 4, my bust is 28 inches. So that is my 28. That is 7 inches. Adding 2 inches on it. So coming to the down part, that is the waist. My waist is 26. That is 6.5 inches. So that is it. That is my 6.5 inches. Adding 2 inches also for the sewing allowance. And then I will mark 1 inch to curve it. So I want it to be curved so that it can lay well when we want to connect the upper part together. So after that now, I'll go ahead now to connect the marks like this to join them. And now we'll finish cutting. So just for me now to cut out the neckline. So this is my neckline now. So I'm cutting the back like this first. Please, I've forgotten. Let me slope it. That is my shoulder by ½ inch. So that is it. So that is for my shoulder now. So this is how to cut the upper part, and then after cutting it, we are going to stitch it together to join the up and down part of it to complete our pants. So that is it. I've cut it out. So for the neck now, like the front neck, V neck. So there is it. So I'll go and run the stitch on it and come and join it together. I'm going to join my pants now. That's the front side of it. So I'll be using the front now to join to the upper side now and see it. So now I'm going to join the front and the back together. Before doing that, we have to measure it again. That is to measure the body size. So our bust is 28. 1, 2, 3. So we have the remaining 1, 3. That is 1.5 this side, 1.5 on this side. The waist is 26. So these are 26. We count the remaining side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 inches this way, 2 inches at the other side. So I will go and use the flat piece and join together and sew it together and fix it on the pants. I'm going to join the upper part now. That is it, the upper part, and also join the trouser, the pant side. So these are going to join it, run the waist together, and our trouser will be ready. Our jumpsuit will be ready. So let me do that now. Jumpsuit is ready to wear out. Very lovely, as you can see. See the way we cut it out, and this is the upper side, and this is the down part that will not join together to complete the jumpsuit. So please, if you don't understand, I implore you to watch it again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and share it, comment, and let other people see it so that they too can learn and watch. Please, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.